This instructional video covers the recommended 72-hour cleaning procedures for your SerVue Touchless Refrigerated Slide-In. Please note that these cleaning procedures may need to be performed more often than every 72 hours, including any time that ingredients are expired or being changed out. Before you begin cleaning, press the Clean button on the home screen to stop dispensing. After that button is pressed, a message that says Clean Mode Active will appear on the screen. Empty ingredients and disassemble canister assemblies. Wash, sanitize, and air dry all parts. Local and state health codes dictate the required cleaning and sanitizing procedure. Consult your health codes for the requirements in your area. Reassemble canister parts with sanitized or gloved hands to prevent contamination. As you reassemble the canisters, ensure that the flat parts of the shaft and wheel hole align. The shaft should go through completely so you can see it on the front. When putting the agitation rod into the canister, make sure the largest curve of the agitation rod is toward the back of the canister. Once all the canisters are reassembled, loaded, and reinstalled into the machine, press close on the Clean Mode pop-up to resume operation. During operation, be sure to clean up any spills or debris as needed to ensure a clean serving area. To learn more about your SerVue Touchless Refrigerated Slide-In, visit us online at volrathfoodservice.com.